Again for another trading recap. So let's talk about that. So as you can see, I did not took a trade today. Let's talk about why. So for the New York session, I did not add a bias. I was just waiting to see a sweep of either the high or the low. So here we had this high, this one and a high, and we had this swing low of the London session. So for me, the plan was very simple. If we had a sweep here, I would be bearish. If we had a sweep here before, I would be bullish. So I just waited to see the sweep. And as I showed yesterday, we had this for our Fibonacci gap. Here we got the Fibonacci gap inverted. So I was more bullish than bearish for the day. So here I just waited, but still on the 1 hour we had this 1 hour Fibonacci gap that got exactly respected here. So it could be also bearish because the price is clearly respecting a bearish PDRA. So we might just react here and go high and go lower. So basically I just waited for the sweep, and the first sweep that we had was at the high. So here before the New York session just had this move to this 15-minute Fibonacci gap, then gone higher, and here we just had a choppy price action. I just waited to see a sweep. Here we had the sweep, but it was a bit unfortunate because we just had this big move down without retest to mitigate some levels. So here the plan was that okay, here we had the break structure already. We have respected a lot of bullish PDRAs on the 1 minute. We had the sweep that I wanted, respecting the 1 hour Fibonacci gap. So here we were bearish clearly. So I just waited to see all those Fibonacci gaps inverted. We had the Fibonacci gaps inverted, and we just had these big 1 minute Fibonacci gap. And the plan was that alright, we have already swept the high, we have broke structure already. So the plan was alright, I'm gonna wait for the mitigation of this gap, and also waiting for a mitigation of the 0.5 level of the equilibrium, and that's what I did. But the price just gone to the Fibonacci gap, did not touch my 0.5 equilibrium level. The plan would be that if we had a bearish reaction here with just a wick at the 0.5 level, I would be trying to take shorts right from here, but we just gone here and we did not mitigate at the 0.5 level. I was really expecting a mitigation of the level, but we did not add a mitigation, just gone here, retesting this level, and then just gone lower after that. My entry would be around here, and my first TP would be here, and the full TP would be at the London low. But it is what it is. Basically the price did what I wanted, but was very fast. I did not mitigate the level that I wanted. After that I even waited. After we did not mitigate the 0.5 level, I even waited to see if we would go here to this 5-minute Fibonacci gap, and basically I would try to find shorts here at this level, but the price just gone lower after and mitigated the low that would be my TP1. So it was a bit unfortunate for the day, but basically my vision for the day was right. I would wait for the sweep. We had a sweep here, and we had a reaction exactly as planned. We then basically had a sweep of the low, and we also had a bullish reaction. So the price is reacting very well off the lows or the highs. So the plan for the day was good, but the mistake was that I did not enter where I should have entered, but still I followed my strategy. I should have waited for the 0.5 level, and that's what I did. The price did not mitigate the level, but it is what it is. I followed my strategy. I waited, but the price just did not did what I wanted, and it's not bad. And here on the 5-minute we did not add any bullish PDRA here, that I could wait for an inverse Fibonacci gap to enter at the retest. We then just had this Fibonacci gap that I really thought that it would get filled, but I was wrong. So no trades for the day. So if you like the video, like and subscribe. And tomorrow I'll be back for another trading recap.